Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my podcast. And on this episode, we're going to talk about digital marketing. Let's get into it because this is very important when you are trying to make money online. Digital marketing. So let's start with freelancing and what to avoid. How do most people actually get started freelancing? Is a question you might ask. Typically, people fall into it almost by accident, right? Because there's millions of ways it can happen, and it might look a little something like someone offers you money to do something like digital marketing side work on the side for them because they know you're good at writing and social media and all of that, right? And if a client offers you money to do digital marketing for them, why on earth would you say no? Like, who would say no to that? Like, I know I wouldn't. If you asked me to post you on my Instagram story and you're going to pay me $50, I'm going to take that, right? But pretty soon that snowballs into another gig. And now you're billing yourself as a social media consultant, right? Your clients are referring new clients and it's starting to take off. That's great. That starts to turn into another type of work. Before you know it, it's doing freelance advertising, copywriting, blogging, creating websites, YouTubing. All of that falls into the same umbrella. So you're trying to figure out, okay, how am I going to do all this stuff all at once? Like, I'm saying yes to all this extra work. I might as well get paid for this, right? So the whole point of being a digital marketing freelancer and have people pay you for the digital marketing services, you have to know what you're doing. That's why I created my Japanese Gem podcast and Music Money Media, because that is what we do. We know digital marketing. And if we don't know it, we can refer you to someone that does know it. So trust me, once you make that call to us, we know what we're doing. Trust us, believe in us. We got you, right? So let's go back. Actually, everything turns out into being all these good gigs, getting paid and all that. And you can request at that point to put your freelance business in an instant availability. So you run the risk of being, okay, let me get all these gigs. Let me run the risk of investing in myself and start making money. So, you choose to scale your business up to the digital marketing niche. Okay? So, in order to get started, you have to sign up with a digital marketing company such as Fiverr or Upwork. Those two are very good platforms to start making money doing freelance work in the music industry or YouTube or whatever, social media marketing, whatever you need. Any type of digital marketing. Fiverr and Upwork. I've seen people, especially on Upwork, making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. Not a year. Hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. If you know what you're doing, these companies are going to reach out to you to get that digital marketing going. Right? So let's say, for instance, you're craving really good sushi that's fresh and traditional and made by the true masters of this intricate Japanese craft. Because, authentic sushi is the best, right? It's for immaculate palate. Wow. What are the chances you're going to find this restaurant and the chances you're going to choose the right restaurant, right? Not very high. Now, imagine you're a dentist looking for someone to manage your social media accounts. And you don't have the time because, you're always traveling or you're always busy in the dental office. Are you more likely to go with a guy that has never done the marketing before, or would you go with someone that knows what they're doing, right? So, you go to Upwork. You go to Fiverr and you hire someone, an outside social media marketer that has the experience in dental niches. That's important. You don't go and hire a mechanic to do social media marketing. He knows nothing about that. He's not technical. You go with the person that knows what they're doing, right? Exactly. So have a clear understanding as to what you want and what you need. And, go to Google, look up Fiverr, look up Upwork, and you look for the person that specializes in that. With that being said, you're going to be that person because you're going to be the freelancer. You're going to be the one that those people are looking for. You're going to be the person that they're going to hire to help their companies make money, to get ranked #1 on Google on the search engine. When someone puts in, I'm looking for a dentist, the best certified dentist in my area, your dentist office is going to pop up, and it's going to be #1 on the search engine. Because trust me, there are 1 million dental offices in the world. But guess what? With SEO optimization and hiring someone to be your digital marketer and make sure that you're #1 on the Google page, you're going to win all the time. So if that's the niche that you're trying to go for and you're trying to be of some help to these big major companies, they're definitely going to hire you. So Upwork and Fiverr, those are your friends. Thank me later.